My name is Jack. I work at the Camino, downtown Missoula. I'm going to school for an MIS degree in the business school. Just need an internship and then I'm graduated. So just need to get that and then I'm off on my career. Leading Out West was kind of like any other organization that specializes in making somebody comfortable with a part of their life that they feel like they have to suppress. I was definitely on the cusp of not going, but I'm really glad I did. It's a vulnerable space and you kind of have to be okay with that. And it's also a little difficult, but it's extremely rewarding being able to go and see all these other people that also share similar stories. I think it kind of opens your eyes to how large the community is here in Missoula. Sometimes it feels like, oh, rural Montana, not a whole lot going on here. But then you go to this networking event and you see all these people that, like a state judge and like a tech advisor, and they don't really tell you that all of them identify within LGBTQ or whichever way. And you kind of see that as you chat with them more. So it's strange. You walk in and you get to share your experiences and all these things with these people, and then you realize like it's not really that different. And you realize that it's just like a part of who they are, and so it's refreshing. Harness your differences and accept them and use those differences to stand out in the crowd in whatever space that you find yourself.